Hello, Miss Jen and James. Muna ilang room. Ano yung pamigpakbak? Yan, ito sa buwan. Ito na yung second room ni Mr. and Mrs. Velasquez. And this is the room. Yeah, so
Hindi naman kayo mag-stay dito eh.
ito, maganda din yung view nila. Okay, so. Sige, open mo yung balcony. Down. All the way down. Tapos slide. Yan. So, ito na yung view nila. Okay. So, yan. Nagkasya lahat ang tao. So, nandito kami sa third room. Pang fourth na actually. 5350 kina Joyce at ni Irma. Yes, open. Sesame. Sige, open it. Mag-green, yeah.
Idot, pag yun mo grabe ha.
Ayan! Oy, two beds! Ang cute! Ayan. May two beds. Yay! Wow! Balcony!
Pwede magtagay na ta? Tara na eh.
Help me.
Sige na, ano lang. Na.
See? Oh.
Sige, so na.
Oh, nice. I think this is balcony too. Yes!
Kamay na balcony.
No?
Wala naman yung tubig.
Naman lagi mo yung tubig.
So rin kulos-kulos daw, report to na kuhan daw.
Okay, so dito kami sa balcony.
Yeah, balcony too. Yes. Nice.
Sige lang, kay libre naman.
Yes, exactly. Muna yun.
Hallelujah na Joyce eh.
Picture ka dyan, Ame. Picture dyan, picture. Picture rin ko
Okay,
yan.
okay.
Na, 4, 3, 2, 1. Sige lang, missing in action. Welcome, welcome.
Bakit ka ba? Yung banana na natin, kaubo na.
Surprise! Yan.
How do I open na lang?
Welcome, welcome, welcome. Yeah.
We only have a window.
Ay! Meron silang bintana! Nagano? Okay, so here we are. May isa pa dyan, yung sa kanya, kay Cesar, yung isa. Yan.
Teka lang.
Run!
Run for the honeymooners.
Fight!
Pak! Open nyo. Honeymoon suite. Open mo yan. Hala. Asa na si
See everyone moving and grooving. Let's go.
You still need to see how to have fun. I need you the tiniest little dance circles right there in the middle. And we're going to show you. Get involved, it's your last call to get down the dance floor and get a little drinky poo. But y'all, I need y'all to make me a little small circle. Like make a circle.
last day nila yun. So nagbabay kami. Kami paalis pa lang.
Let's get it now. Go back, go back, go back, come on. 1, 2, 3, 4. Are you not everybody? It's glass. I can see you.